East is recognized as the top 2 performing state colleges with the highest number of Level 2 accredited programs. Saludo tayo sa mga guro. Higit sa lahat sa mga magulang, kapatid, lola, at lahat na nagsakripisyo para lamang makapagtapos ang ating mga estudyante. Ang sabi nga sa mga magulang, napakahirap mag-aral, higit na mahirap ang nagpapaaral. Simple lamang ang pangarap ng bawat magulang na Pilipino na makatulong sa pamilya. Yan lamang naman ang ating ninanais. First of all, the world of the future are for your taking. Dream high, dream big. Do not allow anyone to tell you that it cannot be done. If that is your dream, it is time to try it now.
Valuable lesson that I've learned, though it came through difficult experiences, is the importance of surrounding yourself with the right people. Throughout this journey, we have learned that the path to success is not just about the goals we set or the hard work we put in, but also about the people who walk alongside us. Once again, congratulations, Class 2024, mabuhay!
Hangad namin ang inyong patuloy na tagumpay sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat. Good luck, Godspeed sa ating mga graduates. Mabuhay kayo, mabuhay ang Iris, mabuhay ang kabataang Pilipino.